Setting the first tracks of the soul. Checking the mast. Coordinates confirmed. Northwest line, here we come.
Rover align. Copy. Bearings confirmed. Proceeding. Verified. Moving to the arch.
Sending pulse. Wait for return. Confirmed. Stronger than expected. Adjust course to northwest corridor. The gate is not solid bedrock, but an opening to a colder void beneath. He parks Roy upwind and prepares the entrance as a controlled access point.
Rover secure. Comms linked to Hab 1. Field relay established at the seam. Ready to anchor.
Pulse sent. Checking delay.
Confirmation. The source is below.
The pattern repeats with the discipline of routing rather than ornament. I'll go deeper to see what the arcs were meant to serve.
The grid reveals a geometric pattern, not just art. It matches the Hab's mast angle.
The curve is wrong. It's not human. Show me more.
The shell is too wide. The joints are fused at the elbows. It's like mine, but not human. Moving to the next niche. "17 niches, all shells facing inward.
It's not storage. It's too neat.
Toward the center, then. What is it they're watching?"
The alignment is perfect. Every niche, the shell facings, the arch, all built around a signal path.
The density and curvature don't match organic structures. These are load-bearing suspension struts, not bones. Another technical failure. The system's laminates are consistent. These aren't burial chambers. This is protected transport. We need to find their destination.
The repeating loops match the pulse intervals better than the niche spacing.
The engravings encode relay geometry. Pulse snap, static fizz, delayed chirp, low resonance.
Analyzing integration points. No organic anchors. Engineered for machine packages, not life. Routing evidence found.
The groove runs cleanly toward the chamber center. Floor routing now links the shells into a larger system. The grooves converge with deliberate precision. The plinth is a hub.
The throat is narrowing. I need to stabilize the path back, then continue the search. Pulse. Two distinct timings. Between the Hab and the Echo. I need to isolate the shell. Analyzing ornament density.
Strong response located.
Shifting toward the simpler niche. Analyzing the smaller shell. Fewer cuts suggest junior or damaged. Initiating full pass. Analyzing cavity geometry. It's a precise match to the relay core framework. This shell is the prime candidate.
Folded membranes, tissue or padding.
Technical cushioning and pressure films. No biological remains.
It's not a cemetery.
The loop stops here, unlike the others. It aligns with the Mars exit path, it terminates here.
Pulse path shows sharp resonance. Must verify uplink data integrity. Check for corruption.
The return grows clean and then splits.
Found it. A tiny routing groove, pointing outward.
Sending pulse. Check the rover.
Signal acknowledged, but the chamber is overriding the primary channel.
I need a clear bridge. Adjusting frequency.
Another one.
The other one.
Line's clear. No choice now. Get outside.
The shell answers. Its resonance length matches the chamber echo. It's a reflector. I can save the Earth link.
The signal sharpens slightly, but the chamber remains unstable.
We'll need to commit to a surface installation only. Keep the markers in view. Confirm pulse.
Pulse steady. Visibility decreasing.
The entrance is narrowing. No going back inside today.
Shadow coincides.
Bro.
Shell trajectory aligns.
Bro.
Signal strength stable. Accurate positioning confirmed.
Transmission confirmed. Stable cadence. I've got a window. Good work, K. Aidens. Secure the rig and head home. Relay status red. Tracks are gone. Compensating now. Pulse path is stable.
Relay connection confirmed.
Good. Let's head back. Still strong. Installing beacon. Beacon deployed. Commit to route home.
The route is temporary at best, and the day's work cannot wait for another attempt.
The pulse matches. We've got a clean connection. Confirmed. The Earth window is open.
Field burst. Listening for breakup. Checking the gate alignment. Return is clean. Temporary window. Affirmative. Let's descend.
The signal's holding. Vault assist is stabilizing.
Looks like we're back in contact with Earth.
Just through a thin window, but it's enough.
Timing path confirmed. No overwrite. The vault is safe.
Line of sight holds. Mission remains active.
The collapse behavior is similar, but it's accelerating. Understand? How much time before it seals?
Pulse sent. Listening.
Clean return. Ghost vanished.
Crisis resolved. But the vault remains a mystery.
Earth, this is Aiden. The anomaly over the mountains? It's unlike anything in our protocols. Should I report this?
Field recorder secured. All evidence consists of scans and geometric data. Vault remains undisturbed.
Copy that. Ready for transmission.
Initiating report.
The chamber's logic mirrors the saved Earth window. I'll send only the communication cure tonight.
The workaround holds. Mission and integrity remain intact. Next, silence.
The restored contact does not reduce the loneliness of the find, it sharpens it.
Mast reflector.
Watches the glint vanish.
Surface workaround feels like a respectful handshake.
Builder's intent remains unknowable. The pouch is empty. That was the right choice. Ethics and discovery, they go hand in hand. The pulse traveled through the mast and returned without distortion. Earth can hear again.
I've got the data. but I'm holding back on this specific detail for now. It needs careful consideration.